Okay, first one. Let's talk about this one because this one's a little controversial. Astral Emblem. We brought it back. We tried it for a patch. We had our fun. We experimented with it. We learned our lesson. And on the Phantom scale, probably never coming back again. I don't think there's a world where players will ever be okay with a 3-star 5 cost at level 7. It just breaks all your expectations and understandings of the rules of the game. And I think it just, while it was fun, and honestly, it wasn't even that imbalanced at like Masters Plus, in double up, hyper roll, and particularly low elos, this was wildly overpowered. And some of the games, I think, if you watched my streams over the weekend, some of those games where I'm like, I'm going to 3-star Soraka and then sell it and 3-star Yasuo. Like, that's not really where we want 3-star 5 cost to be. So the team learned from this experiment. Great. But it's time to get rid of it. Do I keep going? All done. Alright, who's next? I need a 5 cost. There we go. I mean, all right. All right, I guess. Huh. Well then. I'm not even putting this game on YouTube. This is not a YouTuber. We already did this week. Sell rest of board? I mean, Soraka just instantly wins every fight. Not a bug? This is not a bug. This is working as intended. This is what Astral Emblem does when you're playing Astral.